Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and I'll be going over unboxing with a quick look at the watch itself. So this is the most premium thing that Apple offers in terms of wearables, so let's actually, that could be incorrect if you're counting in the headset, but as a watch it's the highest end right now. So let's pop it open. What we got right here? Oh, there we go, it opens up. So this is pretty nice looking manual by the looks of it. The other side. So yeah, pretty cool. Setting it to the side. Let's take this out. And here you can also see the same kind of design. The mountains and a lake, I presume this is. No clue. Anyway, let's move it onto the watch and its strap. Let's start off with the strap. And that is a kind of disappointing looking strap for the caliber of the watch that it's for. There we go. Okay, so that's basically everything that we have right here. I'm gonna put on the strap and have a look at how that looks like. The clips right here are actually made out of metal, probably aluminum, however you wanna call it, though I'm just kind of guessing. Now the reason I'm pointing that out is because, for instance, this is the SE version. This one has plastic strap or buckles, I think probably would be more correct. This one is plastic slash just silicone, because this is entirely like stretchy. So this with metal one seems a little bit more premium compared to the other ones, but obviously the watch itself is significantly more premium. This is, like I said, the highest end that they offer. It's also a decently chunky device. Like, holy crap, this is a like, really huge device. And just to kind of point that out, I might not be the biggest dude out here, the most built one, so this will look comical on my wrist, but I use Samsung Galaxy what is it, 7, the smaller one. So this is what I have right here. Now I'm gonna put this on, so let's just move that up a little bit and clip that or strap that. There's enough strap. Oh yes, there is. Look at that, barely. Ooh, wow. I don't know if I would strap a wall clock to my wrist if it wouldn't look more like it's fitting rather than this gigantic watch. I just to gonna give a comparison. I'm gonna take this off. You can see how that looks like. This is absolutely enormous. But other than that, the watch itself, alright, it's still booting up, I think. Watch itself is obviously super premium. One of the things that I find with these watches, specifically the series, the haptic feedback on them feels fantastic. So one of the best haptic feedbacks I have felt on any kind of wearable watch. Now, can you like Oh, there we go. And yeah, the haptic feedback here is also pretty damn nice, just like the other ones. Other than that, it has a massive display with relatively small bezels. So the device has a lot of screen real estate, and supposedly it's the same screen size as this one. Though it might seem a bit off, just because this is just much chunkier. It actually could be very correct, as the body here is much bigger. So just put that on. No, well, that's nice. That's just kind of loosely on here. So I'll just give it side by side. Yep, those look like the same kind of displays. The difference is the Series 11 has rounded glass at the edges. It does feel nice. This one does not. It's just completely straight, and then it has the actual what is it? Let me quickly check. Titanium frame. So all around the glass is just slapped in between the titanium frame, so it doesn't protrude at all. And the glass right here is the Sapphire crystal. So obviously super robust one. It's going to be very resistant to scratches, which I can tell you it is usually, as what I have right here with my actual watch, which is the Samsung one. This also comes with a sapphire glass, and I have brushed over different things that scratched my previous watch without any kind of problem. This one doesn't have a single scuff on it. Like, there is, if I can clean that off, there is not a single scratch on this display. So sapphire glass has been holding superbly well, better than I ever actually expected. So this also has it, just bigger, and obviously it's going to protect the display really well here. Other than that, it's just super premium watch, which not much really to say about it. It's the same thing as the previous one, just newer version, improved. Yeah, that's about it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.